Hi everyone. So this video is basically being done in collaboration with HR Blend, and my name is Rabia Najeeb and I'm a psychologist. If the word psychological sends you outside of the room screaming because of the stigma that is attached to it, always remember that over a period of time human beings are have this tendency to develop physical illnesses. Just like that, we also have the tendency to develop problems with our emotions and our minds. And always remember, whatever phase of life that we are in at that very point, for example, whether you're a teenager, whether you're an adult, whether you're going through a midlife crisis, whatever it is, psychology can help you. Unfortunately, there's a lot of stigma attached to this word mental health and mental illness. And it's not just a phenomena in our country. This is basically like a global thing in many other countries out there in the world. People who suffer from a mental problem or a mental illness are basically called crazy. People who treat these kind of illnesses are called people who treat the crazy people. And this is not exactly how it is. People with like a mental illness are called you have mental health. That's not how it is. I have mental health, you have mental health, everybody in this world has mental health. According to the World Health Organization, the definition of mental health is the state of well-being in which you are able to deal with the daily stressors of your life in a very regular manner, or you're able to cope up with those stressors. For example, stress at work, stress at school, stress at home. Another definition of mental health could be that your behaviors, your cognitions, and your emotions are in place, and you do not experience any kind of problems in these areas, in these aspects of your life. To make it actually very simple, consider that there's health, and then health basically consists of two types. So there's physical health and there's mental health. So we all have health. Somebody over a period of time can actually go through like a physical problem, and we actually call it physical illness. So for example, like diabetes, cancer, ulcers, etc. It's the same with mental problems. So when somebody is going through a mental problem, we call it mental illness. So for example, anxiety, depression, obsessive compulsive disorder, and so on. When we actually tend to experience a physical illness, so even for the slightest of ones, for example, like a common cold or flu, we go and see the doctor. We should actually treat our mental health the same way, and as soon as we start experiencing a problem, we should go and seek professional help. When we go see the doctor for a physical problem, for example, let's say diabetes, the doctor would get our tests done, would actually diagnose a problem, would actually give us medications to control it, suggest some life changes in your diet, and it can get controlled. It's the same thing with the mental problem. So you get diagnosed, you are suggested lifestyle changes, you are suggested medication if need be, your thought process is basically worked on as to how your thinking patterns are and stuff like that. So even mental problems have a solution to them. It's not just physical. So we need to kind of understand that we need to treat our mental health the same way we would treat our physical health, because there's always like a mind-body connect. If something's not right here, this would go wrong, and the other way around. So it actually affects one another because they're not away from each other, are they? So I really hope you're able to take care of your mental health, and you are able to start your inner journey soon. Please, if you like this video, follow my page for more content. And thank you so much, HR Blend, again, and take care. Have a nice day.